Hello YouTube and welcome to Heathen Hacks. Today we're going to take a look at the ORICO OSJ-4A5U power strip with 4 universal outlet surge protector and 5 USB charging ports. We're going to talk about the specs and features, test it, and find out how many hours would it take to charge various devices. Let's go! The ORICO Universal Power Surge Protector with 5 USB ports. Here are some of the specs and features. It has a 1.5 meter cable so you can plug it into the wall outlet with ease. 4 universal sockets so you don't even have to buy or find those pesky plug adapters. Over voltage, over current, and short circuit protection design. Built with high quality fire resistant and high temperature resistant ABS material. On and off switches. 8 amps 40 watts maximum power output on the 5 volt 2.4 amps USB ports, 2.4 amps quick intelligent charger, and a 100 to 240 volts AC input. And here is the product itself, covered in some sort of plastic. Here are the on and off switch for each outlet. The 5 USB charging ports. And some more specs at the bottom. Wait a sec, just gonna get some devices to try. Okay, here's the charger for my lithium-ion batteries. These are two 18650s connected to port 1. I'm going to plug it in and try if all the USB ports are working using other devices. Here's a mobile phone. A tablet. Connected to port 2. You can see that it's charging and currently at 75%. After a minute or two, it's now 77%. Here's a Bluetooth headphone on port 3. The mobile phone on port 4. And here's a portable Bluetooth speaker which will be connected to port 5. There, all ports are working. Okay, now I'm going to test the outlets and their switch with this naked USB charger which is connected to my battery charger. Don't try this at home. Outlet 1, switch 1, check. Outlet 2, switch 2, check. Outlet 3, switch 3, check. Outlet 4, switch 4, check. All outlets and ports are working. Now for the boring stuff. This is a 26650 lithium-ion high-drain rechargeable battery. You can see that it is substantially drained. Let's find out how many hours would it take to get this thing fully charged. I'm going to use a stopwatch and take a video of the status every 30 minutes or so. Starting now. After the first 30 minutes, the battery gained 250 milliamps of power. I guess there was 278 milliamps of charge left in the battery before I charged it. And yep, I just discovered my special talent, sitting in one place for multiple hours. Here's a Lenovo Tab 3 8 Plus Android tablet with 4250 milliamps of battery. Like the 26650 before, I will repeat the same process of taking a video every 30 minutes to see how many hours would it take to get this fully charged. I really like this power strip. Your devices are safe in case of a power surge or power fluctuation. It has switches, no need for plug adapters. I believe it also has a fuse, so your devices and the power strip itself is safe in case of a short circuit. The only drawback for me is that it doesn't come in black and you can't put it on the floor if you'll be using the USB ports, because you will need a longer cable for that.